I am very happy to introduce to you a new product developed and produced by our company, Photovoltaic Weather Station. It consists of a variety of radiation sensors, weather sensors, data collection host, electric control box, carbon steel poles, and power supply system. It is widely used in solar photovoltaic power generation, light resource assessment, and other places. Solar radiation intensity can directly affect the light energy conversion efficiency of photovoltaic panels. To better design, site selection, and performance evaluation of photovoltaic power plants. When used simultaneously, the slope of the photovoltaic array can be adjusted to the optimal inclination angle to ensure conversion efficiency. It is necessary to understand the local historical solar radiation characteristics. Therefore, the photovoltaic weather station is equipped with a fully automatic tracking solar radiation transmitter, a total radiation transmitter, a reflected radiation transmitter, and a tilted radiation transmitter can provide users with a variety of accurate and stable radiation data. It also supports the selection of wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, component temperature, and other factors, help optimize operation strategies and improve management level. The overall structure adopts a double-pole design to improve load-bearing capacity and stability. It also ensures that the sensors will not block or affect each other. Monitoring data is accurate and effective. Data can be uploaded directly to our free environmental monitoring cloud platform via Ethernet. It can realize automatic monitoring and recording throughout the day, meet the project requirements of professional photovoltaic power stations. For more products, please consult Shandong Renke.